When you're injured in a car accident, you have to look after your health and safety. In the moments after your injury, it's difficult to think of practicalities like gathering evidence to prove that someone else was to blame. Legal concerns are probably the furthest thing from your mind. You have the right to financial compensation if someone else caused your injury through reckless or negligent driving. But it's not as simple as just asking for it. When you make an accident claim, the insurance company and their adjusters will evaluate the collision to determine who they think was at fault. If your claim proceeds to a trial in a Virginia court, the judge or jury will decide instead. Determining fault in an accident often depends, in part, on the specific type of collision. Here is how fault is typically assessed in a common car crash scenario. Head-on collisions. These often result from a driver crossing the center line. The driver who veered into oncoming traffic is usually at fault, unless they were avoiding a road hazard. Rear-end collisions. The trailing driver is typically considered at fault, as drivers should maintain a safe following distance. However, liability may shift if the lead driver suddenly reverses or has non-functioning brake lights. T-bone car crashes. Fault often lies with the driver who failed to yield the right-of-way, such as running a red light or stop sign. Sideswipe accidents. The driver who leaves their lane and strikes another vehicle is usually at fault. This can occur due to distracted driving or improper lane changes. Backing crashes. The driver going in reverse is generally liable, as they're responsible for ensuring the path is clear before backing up. Hiring an attorney can help you cut through the insurance company's red tape by independently investigating the accident, finding the right evidence, calculating the full extent of your losses, demanding full and fair compensation from the at-fault party. Contact a Roanoke car accident lawyer today. If you were seriously injured in an accident caused by someone else, you deserve compensation for your medical bills, missed work, pain and suffering, and other losses. The attorneys at Lichtenstein Law Group PLC are prepared to fight for your rights. Visit vatrials.com for a free, no-obligation consultation.